Hey everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Voiceflow. Now today we are going to be going over the random block in Voiceflow, which is going to allow you to add a little bit of randomness into your Alexa skills. So let's hop right in. We're going to go over to our left block menu here. So I'm going to click this out, and I'm going to pull in a speak block. Now before we get started, actually, I do want to talk about what we're actually going to be building. So the random block allows you to choose random paths, almost like a choice block, but rather than the user giving input, it's going to choose a random path. So all I want to show you guys is how you can actually use this skill to do random choices. So we're just going to have Alexa say one of a couple random phrases, and then we'll actually just test the skill out a bunch of times. So let's get right to it. So I'm going to say, welcome, here is a random color. Okay. I'm going to pull the random block out, and I'm going to add 3 different choices. Oh, now you can see I can add paths here just like a choice block, and I can also remove paths. Now, unlike a choice block though, the random block does not have anything to add. It's simply going to run through the random block and choose at random. The user will not actually have to say anything. So I'm going to pull out a couple different choices or speak blocks here. And I'm going to put in a couple different colors. So I'm going to put in red, and green, and I'm going to put in blue. Oh, and there's my blue. Okay, cool. So let's hook these up and let's actually test out our Alexa skill. Okay. Alexa, open test skill.
Welcome. Here is a random color .green.
So there's green. Alexa, open test skill.
Welcome. Here is a random color .red.
So we just got green, then red, and it would just continue to choose a random color. Now, one fun thing about the random block is you can do no duplicates. So if we were to loop the blocks back to the random, and it would go, twice in a row, you would never get red, red, or green, green. It would go until it has hit all the options and then reset the random block. And so that is the random block. It is super easy to get started with and a lot of fun, and of course a great way to add a little bit of spontaneousness into your Alexa skills, as people won't know what's going to happen next. All right, guys, I cannot wait to see you in the final videos of this season of Voiceflow University, where we are going to start building some full Alexa skills together so you can actually see the process from start to finish. I'll see you there.